Could benefit from these new rules. Renee Inoue and John Baldwin are the only pairs team to ever land a triple axel competition. Tonight and on Monday, in addition of your local NBC station. And of course, check out NBCOlympics.com for all you need to know about Torino. You can even set email alerts to let you know when your favorite sport is happening. And be sure to watch the games on the networks of NBC Universal.
To Hurricane Katrina.
Because they are part of the problem because of corruption.
Now, Nuevo Laredo, of course, lies just across the border from Texas, and there is a lot of fear that this violence could spread. Just a couple of days ago, Texas Governor Rick Perry announced a beefed-up border operation to try to combat
scene and other protests in London and elsewhere. Now, in the wake of the unrest over the drawings, the latest news is that the Danish government is urging Danes to now flee to Indonesia. Hospitals full, embassy staff from there, and Syria and Iran.
It's now snowing in the New York City area and northern New Jersey, too, for that matter. So the storm has begun. New York, Philadelphia, Washington, D.C., first landing. 61 this evening. Sunday afternoon, by Sunday evening, was gone. Only city breaks really out of these areas. On the East Coast, the storm is going to be a quick blizzard. Conditions are predicted for the Northeast part of the parts of the storm. We're talking about 12 inches. So the storm is now moving here after the coast of North Carolina. They cold air is moving into the high sea and heavy snow now West Virginia. Then it's now pushing to areas a little bit closer towards New York. So we're going to continue to watch these things. And what's going on is that for the first time this winter, we got what we call our subtropical jet stream, our warm jet stream, and then our cold polar jet stream merging all together here to form a storm. That's what it takes to get a nor'easter, and that's what's happening about it. Again, the white is the snow, the pink is the mix, and the green is the rain. The white is now firmly entrenched here over most of Virginia. Even in Richmond, we're getting ready to go from rain over to a mix, and then you're going to go to snow later on this evening, and you will get accumulating snow, too.
Surgical department, so the recovery from this in Boston. And this is just what's going to come for the rest of the evening, folks, where temperatures are going to continue to plummet throughout the night, and those winds are really going to pick up. And this is the reason why we've got this large area of low pressure.
What if an answer to our dependence on oil
is growing right in front of us? What if we could lower greenhouse gas emissions with a fuel that grew back every year?
What if a company had already built over 1.5 million cars and trucks?
Sneak up from 12 to 16 inches. Notice how the line really decreases here rapidly. Areas like Albany, New York, are only calling for 1 to 2 inches, where New York City is calling for a foot. So in between, there's a very fine, tight line where if this storm goes a little more out to sea, we're going to see less totals in New York. So as of now, it looks like everything's on target. The storm is doing as we expected. So this is how it's kind of shaping up out there. DC 4 to 8, New York City 6 to 12, and Hartford, Boston, and Boston and Providence all kind of in the same boat. We'll continue to give updates here on MSNBC. And of course, on WeatherPlus.com, you get updates to follow the storm as we go throughout.
Bill Farron has a very busy stop tonight. Bill, thanks for you. We have much more for you ahead on the Olympics. A hair product is keeping an Olympian out of competition. We'll explain why. And a lot of other news developing today as well. Ariel Sharon goes back into surgery. The serious changes in his condition today. And the protests over the Muhammad cartoons spreads into the West. What happened today in London when we return? You're watching MSNBC.
It's just that.
We asked Lindsay Allen how me and ABC helped her with her sleeping trouble. Well, there you are. CR has a control release formula in a 2-layer tablet. The first layer dissolves completely.
Hold it in. It might stop it for hours. Then it'll come back.
Democrats are teeing off on the budget President Bush submitted this week, and the party is getting ready with
Side effects may you should take care of alcohol. Sleep medicines carry some risk of dependency. Use sleep medicines. There's money. First time to celebrate. Sugar is raining from 7 to 8 hours to sleep before you want to be active. Ask your doctor about
some success by implanting what's called a vagus nerve stimulator. A battery for the stimulator is implanted in the chest, and a stimulator wire is wrapped around the vagus nerve